Man, what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey, the Phone Trader channel, and we're back with another banger. So I took a trade today, guys. I did not plan on trading today. The setups look trash. Setups wasn't really there. I had mapped out this one setup on MNQ, and it didn't go my way, man. I was like, well, it's all good, man. We had just got the account back at break even at 25,000 and some change. Now we're down. I took a $100 loss on this trade. It's like, man, all right, ever since I've been funded, man, I ain't been able to get over 25,000. Like, come on, man. Well, I am over, but man, like, where I can get a good trade and be ahead, man. It's like, oh well, try again, man. But on MNQ, this is what I saw, guys. So as you guys can see, man, MNQ just been tanking since the 26th. The 26th is up here. This is my analysis. So the 26th has just been dropping, creating lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, and lower lows. It just keep tanking down, man. So I'm like, I'm going to take a sell. Once I see I'm not going to be looking for demand, because the market is clearly telling us that the market is going to continue down on MNQ. So it's like, why am I going to go against the trend? So I'm looking for supply setups. I'm looking for the market to continue down because we keep making lower lows. So my analysis today was what's today? Today is the 31st. So I was looking at the 30th also. Today is the 31st. The 30th was yesterday. So I was looking, and today's Monday, guys. So I was looking at this. So let's erase this because we don't need that. So I was looking at this right here. I was looking at this right here. I was also looking at this right here. And as you guys can see, I'm drawing those to see if the market is going to continue down. We just keep making lower lows, lower low, lower low. And I'm going to show you this right here. It's about the same, but then this right here, guys, broke structure right here. That broke this structure right here. And then guess what else happened today? This broke this structure right here. So it's like we just keep going to the downside, man. So I'm going to be looking for a sale, man. So today what I was looking at, I noticed that the market right here broke this low over here. It broke that low, and then today it broke that low today. So I have a lot of confluences that's lining up, man. We just keep creating lower lows. So the reason why I'm saying this, guys, is because this was a great setup. The setup just did not go my way, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm a little mad, man. I'm like, now you want to continue up. When I take a trade, you want to go against me. You've been doing it, shoot, for almost, how many days? Almost like 5 days. But then when I decide to get in, then you just want to go against it. It's like, man, yeah, I don't like you. I was looking for a supply setup. As you guys can see, we just keep creating lower lows, right? So the last lower low that was created was down here, because we broke this structure right here, right? So that means I'm looking for 3 to 4 strong candles going to the downside after we break structure. So what did I get? I got this beautiful supply zone right here. How many red candles is that broke this structure right here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 red, strong, beautiful candles going to the downside, guys. Those 3 red candles. And we broke that structure right here. So that means that the market, to me, wants to continue going down because we keep breaking lower low. We keep breaking structure and keep creating lower lows. I'm looking at those 3 strong candles. Now I told myself, once the market gets right here, once the market gets right there and it closes below that line, I'm getting in for the sell. Because why? We just keep breaking and creating lower lows. That's why. So I say, you know what? Once the market come touch this area and the market close underneath this, I'm in for a sale, and I just live with the results. As you guys can see, it didn't do that. So this was my short position. I put it at a 50-point stop loss. So once I seen the market on the 15-minute time frame, I was also looking at the 5. As you guys can see, it went past the 5 too, but it was right in here in this area somewhere on the 5-minute time frame. But I really wanted to focus on the 15-minute time frame. As you guys can see, that big strong candle right here, this candle right here, that yellow candle right there was under my white line for my supply zone. It finished below that line. So I drew up my short position, and I was aiming down here for the next lower low that was created, possibly this line right here. Now on the daily or the 4-hour time frame, that's a fair value gap, so that's why I aimed that far down there. This could have been a nice little $500 trade, but it didn't go my way, man. So yeah, it closed underneath my supply zone, my line, and then it just started taking back off. And now I see that the market is rejecting this area right here. I don't know why, and I don't feel like looking. So I'm done with the market today. My account is now currently at $24,908.50. So today we lost $150. No big deal, man. I was really looking for a dub, though. I wanted to win today. After bringing the account, when we first got the funded account, we lost 2 trades and was down $400. Then last week we took 1 trade one day and gained it all back in 1 day. We had the account at break even again. Now we are below break even again. It's like, okay. That's the trade for the day, guys, on MNQ. That's all I saw. We took that 1 trade and we lost. It is what it is. It's all good. But make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey, the phone trader, got coming in, man. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Stay locked in. Stay tapped in. You guys stay tuned in for when I go live for making spark deliveries. Hey, man, thank you guys for joining me live. We'll talk about trading, talk about life. We'll talk about making money. We just gonna do it all, man. We're trying to get monetized, man. So make sure you like the video for me, man, so we can hit the algorithm and show people, hey, man, we out here just doing multiple things, man, trying to make money, man. And today we lost on this, but hey, we gonna come back. We just gonna keep looking for them setups, baby. Peace, blessings. I love y'all. Until next time, man. Y'all know the motto in 3, 2, 1. Guess what, y'all? I holla. Peace out.